To another video. Today I'm going to show you high bay LED lights. We have 12 high bay LED lights. Here is the first one, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Let me go ahead and take them all out and see. First set of 6. And we have the other 6 right here. Let me go ahead and take one of them out and check all the features. There you go. Here is the LED light. You have so many LEDs. Power cable. And here is the hanger. I'm just going to go ahead and screw it over here. And it's going to be ready. Now we're good to go. Plug it in and see. Oh my god, it's very bright. Think about you're putting 12 of them in one place, in your garage or in your barn, wherever you like. Next thing is we're just gonna go ahead and take this out and pass it through. Now we can go ahead and put it back. Let's go ahead and hang it in my garage. Just installed it, one over there. And the other one is right there. You can put as many as you want, here, there, and there. You can just hang it wherever you like. I just put 2 of these over there, and we're gonna go ahead and check the effects. This is regular lighting, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn these off and turn them on. Let's see the difference between them. Lights off. Let me go ahead and turn on the high bay LED lights. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, check this out. Oh my god. It is very bright. Now we can go ahead and check this area. I'm just gonna move the light and you can see. It's like projection light. There you go. And here's the other one. Right there. I just used 2 of them and you can see the difference, and also you can see how bright they are. I definitely suggest these high bay LED lights. As you can see, here is the second one, and they are very bright since they are LED and they're not consuming too much energy. And in one box we have 12 of them. 5 of these over here, 6, and we have 5 more over there. Basically we have 12. It's more than enough. That's why I definitely suggest them. I'm in my kitchen area. I'm gonna go ahead and plug one of them and you can see the difference. Wow. And let me go ahead and go to the backyard and show it to you over there. Now I'm in my backyard and here is the LED light. Let me go ahead and plug it in and you can see the difference. I can see the particles in the air. Whoa. Think about one is this bright, and check this area. And we need to think about 12 of them at the same time. Definitely suggest them.